Today, I'm going to show you how to make the softest, fluffiest homemade cupcakes from scratch. Here's everything you need. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Place your cupcake liners inside the muffin tray. One liner in each cup. Measure 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and set it aside. Measure 1 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure your butter is soft and at room temperature before you begin. This is the secret to a fluffy cupcake. Add the softened butter to your mixing bowl and beat it alone first until it becomes smooth and creamy. Add the sugar and beat them together until the mixture turns pale, light, and fluffy. This takes about 3 minutes. Crack the first egg into the bowl and mix until it is fully combined. Now crack the second egg and mix again until smooth. Pour in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This gives the cupcakes their beautiful flavor. Sift the flour, baking powder, and salt together into a separate bowl. Sifting keeps your cupcakes light and fluffy. Add the dry ingredients to your wet batter and fold them in gently with a spatula. Do not overmix. Pour in the milk a little at a time and fold gently until the batter is silky smooth. Your batter should be smooth, creamy, and drop slowly from the spatula. This is exactly what you want. Use an ice cream scoop to fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full. This gives every cupcake the perfect rise. Carefully place the muffin tray into the preheated oven. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Watch them rise beautifully in the oven. To check if they are done, insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Remove the cupcakes and place them on a wire cooling rack. Let them cool completely before frosting. Now, make the frosting. Start by beating the softened butter until it is smooth and pale. Add the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time and beat until the frosting becomes thick and fluffy. Add the heavy cream and a few drops of pink food coloring. Then beat until the frosting is silky smooth and beautifully pink. Fill your piping bag with a pink buttercream and pipe a beautiful swirl on top of each cooled cupcake. Finish with rainbow sprinkles, and there you have it. Soft, fluffy, gorgeous homemade cupcakes. Save this recipe and try it yourself this week.